Hello, my lovely people. My greetings to everyone. This is Akpeje's kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken cajun pasta. So if you are ready, take your apron, go to your kitchen. Let's make this together. I hope you love it. So guys, I have my water on the fire. I'm adding some salt to taste. I have my onion, tomatoes, green pepper, and the garlic. I cut them in small pieces. My water is boiling, so I'm pouring my pasta inside. So you can use any kind of pasta you like. So I will stir it and cook it like 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, it's ready. So it's time to sieve it, but I have some small bowl under the sieve because I'll be needing the pasta water, like 1/4 cup of that water. So now I'll start rinsing my pasta. Then I pot back to the stove. I add some oil, then I'll start frying my shrimp. Do you like shrimp? If yes, let me know at the comment section. Anyway, me, I like shrimp in my fried rice and then pasta. So now my shrimp is ready. It's easy to cook. So I transfer it on the plate. Then I add another oil. Then I'll start frying my chicken. So I already seasoned my chicken, so I will start frying it. You can season your chicken with any kind of season you like. So guys, the chicken too is ready. I'll just transfer it on the plate and start making the pasta sauce. So the pot back to the stove. I add some oil. I'm using 2 tablespoons of flour. So I'll stir this. I'll fry this flour like 5 minutes. Fry it very well. So now it's ready. I'm adding my chopped vegetables. Then I'll fry that like 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, it's time to add my coconut milk. You can use heavy cream instead of this coconut milk, but I'm not having some. So if you use coconut milk, it's the same like heavy cream. It even tastes better than heavy cream. You trust me? So I'll stir this very well. So this is the pasta water. I add some like 1/4 cup of pasta water. Then I'm adding some fresh milk, like 1 cup of fresh milk. Then I'll stir everything together very well. So everything has combined very well. So now I'll just go ahead and cover it to cook about 10 minutes. Guys, 10 minutes later, it's ready and it's very thick. So I'm adding some cumin powder and then black pepper. Then I'll mix it very well. Then I'll add my pasta or macaroni into the pot. I'm pouring it inside the sauce, and then I will add my chicken. Can you see how it's looking yummy already? Have you ever tried this food before? This food, the first day I tried this food, hey, I almost cut my fingers. It's so sweet. Guy, you have to try this and see. It's very very sweet, trust me. So I mix everything together very well, and can you see how creamy it is? It's creamy, looking very very yummy. So guys, I'm adding my shrimp. If you are eating it, the shrimp will just be, you be just between the shrimp inside, crown, my dear. You don't know what you are missing. You have to try this. Try it. I want to know at the comment section. Let me know at below. So now it's ready. It's time to serve. So I'm adding some green pepper. You can add spinach, anything, any vegetable of your choice, you can add it. So it's ready to serve. Then I serve it, then I will start enjoying. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. For my subscribers, thank you so much. Those people have been liking my video, I do not forget you guys. I love you so much, and to see you in my next video. Bye.